Welcome to my rice cooker bento series, where we cook everything together pero separately. 3 dishes in 1 rice cooker. Let's go. First, we are making bulgogi. I have 100 grams of beef and bulgogi sauce. Bubuhos ko lang yung bulgogi sauce, lagyan ng onions, and mix. And that's pretty much our bulgogi. Second, gagawa tayo ng rice. So, rice and water, yun lang. Third, we're making kimchi jjigae. I didn't realize na hindi pala nagre-record pero may pork, tofu, and gnocchi, spring onions. And for seasoning, I just have gochujang, gochugaru, sugar, and lots of kimchi. Pag ready na lahat ng components nyo, lagay nyo na sa rice cooker. Lagyan ko lang ng water yung kimchi jjigae. Lalagyan ko na rin ng water yung rice cooker to create more steam and para mas madali linisin. And that's pretty much it. When your rice cooks, everything else cooks. I guess the hardest part here is waiting. There you have it, a complete Korean bento meal out of a rice cooker. Make sure that if you're doing this, you occasionally stir. Pero mag-ingat kayo kasi steamy yung rice cooker. Ang sarap. Oh my God. It's spicy. Tapos lasang-lasa mo yung fermented flavor. Alam nyo, I was a bit nervous when I was cooking the rice kasi parang feeling ko ang liit. Pero it's actually perfect. This is the beef bulgogi. I love the taste of the bulgogi. It's sweet, it's savory. Tapos kahit matagal na siya sa rice cooker, it's not overcooked at all. And if you don't feel like eating it at home, pwede siyang baunin, or if you want to keep your leftovers, meron din siyang lid exactly made for each one. So pwede nyo siyang takpan and put it in your lunchbox or your refrigerator. I think this is such a good way to eat if you're alone. What should I try making next in my rice cooker? I'll definitely try making them